Hey, what's up YouTube? I completed my Jenvey ITB setup with a Haltech Elite 750, FIC 445 injectors. We've got flex fuel over here. I haven't put the corn in there just yet, but soon once I'm done tuning. LS coils here from Pro Tuners along with their 1.6 billet Hal down here, Dizzy. Moroso catch can plumbed there, and also down here I tapped, or I got that fitting out and had it welded up, hard to see. Made my own heat shield, but the point of this video is to talk about the throttle cable setup. I spent a lot of time trying to perfect, or rig I should say, the stock linkage, and thought I had it, but then when I really pressed the pedal down to get to 100% throttle and get those butterflies opened up, it just did not like it and bent. It started bending the brackets here. So what we have here, turn this light on for you, is a low car 24-inch cable. Made my own bracket here. It's not the prettiest thing in the world, but hey, it does the job. And then we have Duffy Mahoney's cam to hook up to the cable. So you get that with a little screw that tightens up against the cable, and that's it. So also got this kind of firewall washer thing from Duffy as well. You can see that silver piece kind of cleans it up nice. And then we can go in the car and kind of check out what I did there. So again, this is a 280. I don't know if a 240 is any different, but if you look up there, you can see the top of that pedal. I had to drill out it's like a stud on a ball that comes stock on these, and then drill it out and get let me try to get some better lighting for you. And then you get that low car setup in there. Throw a washer on the firewall. I actually slotted it so you can slide it in and out if needed. I did have to bend the pedal, so I put this thing halfway in a vise, about halfway up the pedal, and bent the top half of this pedal rod to the right to align it with that hole. It was kind of offset over here. I just bent it that way, and I did have to bend it so the pedal was not close to the floor. It literally was like half an inch at least, probably an inch more, closer to the floor, and I wasn't really getting the travel I wanted. So again, 3 bolts here, put it in a vise, bent this pedal back, and then I also took the floor kind of throttle stop. There's like you can see that screw with a big head on there. That comes out. There's a nut on the back side. I took it out and I shimmed it with several washers as I was using the Haltech TPS kind of configuration deal, and I'm literally hitting like 99% or something, so it's close enough. So that is the setup. Oh, one more thing I wanted to show you guys is there's a stock bracket in here that the pedal, or this whole thing rests up against, and because it doesn't totally align, you can see that I added this rubber stopper thing. It's kind of, I don't know where I found it, but you can get them at a hardware store. But it used to rest up against that black rubber piece that's behind it, and it was a good inch away after bending, and so basically glued that on. It touches that just right, and the more I tinkered with this, the more it was coming along and feeling like a new car. So kind of loving it. And you can see this in action here as I hit the pedal. It's got good response. The bracket does have a tiny bit of flex to it, but I don't think that's anything I'm worried about. The first 2 brackets that I tried were flexing way more than that, and I was driving it around. But this one, version 3 here, seemed to do the trick. So that's it. Just wanted to show you guys this throttle setup, and I'll post some links in the description. See ya.